Hey, what's up? Today we are going to review the new digital picture frame from Dragon Touch company. The picture frame has 10.1-inch touch display with resolution of 1280 by 800 pixels and 16 by 10 aspect ratio. You can share the photos and videos on digital picture frame via Wi-Fi from your smartphone, laptop and other devices. You can also upload the videos and photos on the storage. Dragon Touch digital picture frame has 16 gigs of internal memory. Okay, let's start the review with unboxing and then talk about main features of the new digital picture frame. This is the box of Dragon Touch digital picture frame. As you can see, the full name of this product is Classic 10 Wi-Fi Cloud Photo Frame by Dragon Touch. On the back you can read the main features of this photo frame, such as easy to share, 10.1-inch HD display, room for memories, invite friends to share, photos and storage sharing, and easy operation. Okay, let's open the box. Actually, the photo frame looks like a tablet, don't you think so? Inside the box there is a photo frame, USB cable, power adapter, stand and a user manual. Dragon Touch Classic 10 picture frame supports a microSD memory card, but you have to buy it additionally. As I already said, Dragon Touch Classic 10 picture frame has 10.1-inch display, but the device is much bigger than 10.1-inch tablet because of these thick bezels around the display. In addition, the photo frame is pretty thick, about 35 mm. The weight is 665 grams. On the back you can find power button, a hole to place the frame on the wall, and a hole for the stand. All connectors are on the side, such as microSD slot, 3.5mm audio jack, USB Type-A, microUSB and DC power. A special stand allows you to put the photo frame both vertically and horizontally. It is very convenient. Talking about display, it has 10.1-inch diagonal and HD resolution, 1280 by 800 pixels. This is IPS panel. The screen has good viewing angles, so you can see the photos from any angle. Very nice. Okay, let's turn the picture frame on and look at user interface. When you first turn on the photo frame from Dragon Touch, you are prompted to choose Wi-Fi network. Then you have to choose language, city and time. The city is necessary for weather forecast. Here you can choose the sleep schedule. Classic 10 photo frame will automatically turn on and off at selected time. You probably won't use the frame at night, so it will sleep and save battery power. Now the picture frame offers to download the app on smartphone. Let's do this. The app is available on both Android and iOS devices. It is called Our Photo. I don't have account, so I need to sign up. Here we enter username, password one more time, and email. You will get verification code on email and then put it here. Okay, we are in. As you can see, the app has many sections, such as photo, video, devices, messages, and media. We need to connect the photo frame to smartphone, so click on Devices, tap on My Device and enter device name, email, and frame ID. You can find the frame ID on picture frame. That's all, we are ready to use Dragon Touch Classic 10 picture frame. So this is the main screen of a picture frame. As you can see, Wi-Fi is connected. Also, I have selected the city, so you can see the weather forecast. Here is the time and date. Also, you can set the alarm. It is very useful function. Tap on these pictures to play your photos on the frame. You can play the photos from internal storage, SD card and a USB drive. You can also run the video. Okay, now let's go to the settings menu. The settings menu looks very similar to Android settings menu. Most likely Dragon Touch Classic 10 runs on Android operating system. There is a device info, user management, PC control, Wi-Fi, album settings, system settings, and about. The system settings have more options such as sound, display, date and time, language, auto on-off and factory data reset. In the album settings, you can enable full screen mode, a slideshow time, slideshow mode, interval, transition effect, delete photos, and restore default settings. Finally, let's have a look at the photo and video. As I already said, you can upload the photos to internal memory, as well as to use microSD card and USB flash drive. I have uploaded some pictures to the internal memory, and this is how it looks like. You can also upload photos from connected smartphone or tablet. I have already connected the phone, so I can send the photos. Click on Files and then Photos. Choose one or some pictures and click here to send the photos on the frame. That's it. As you can see, it is very simple and fast enough. You can upload both photos and videos on the frame from your smartphone. The next method to upload photos is to send them to email. The frame has a unique email address, so you can send photos to this email and they will be uploaded on the frame. And the last method to upload pictures on the frame is to use computer. When the frame and computer are in the same Wi-Fi network, you can transfer files to computer to the frame. You have to drag the photo and videos in dedicated folder on the FTP server address. As you can see, there are many ways to upload photos and videos on Dragon Touch Classic 10 picture frame. If you store the photos on computer, smartphone, tablet, SD card, then it is not a problem to send them all to the picture frame. Dragon Touch Classic 10 picture frame is a very useful device. It is not only photo frame, but also alarm, calendar, and weather forecast. You can upload photos in any convenient way, wirelessly via computer, smartphone or tablet, as well as via microSD card and a USB flash drive. 16 gigs of internal memory allows to store up to 40,000 photos. 10.1-inch HD display is good for viewing photos in all conditions, even in direct sunlight. The price of Dragon Touch Classic 10 photo frame is about $100. In the description under the video I will leave the link to Amazon. Thanks for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.